Welcome to the channel, Nessa Sunshine. I'm Nessa, and today we are getting into a fall cool tone sultry look, plus the lip combo. So I start off with like a full face and everything, and I'll just show you how I get the eye and the lip, and yeah. I don't think I have anything else to say besides subscribe if you are not already, and let's get into the tutorial. This is the Colourpop After Hours Palette. The first shade I'm getting into is Stepping Out from the After Hours palette and the Nabla 302 blending brush. I'm going to go in the outer edge of the eye, the outer third with the tip of the brush, blending in swiper motions back and forth. And now I'll use the edge of the brush and a 90-degree like triangle onto my face. I'll use the edge of the brush here like this to blend in swiper motions as well. I've rolled my brush a couple more times into the shade Stepping Out, and I'm going to take that in the outer corner with the tip of the brush and the side of the brush, the edge, in swiper motions with a good amount of pressure, not too intense, but a good amount. And I'm going to continue to build upon that shade for some extra dimension. Now I'll do the same thing to the other side. I'm going to take the shade Off the Clock and a Nabla N203 blending brush. I rolled my brush into the shade, tapped off the excess. Now I'm going to look into my mirror straight ahead, and I'm going to go in the very outer corner in the crease area, kind of above the crease, and I'm going in circular motions with the tip of the little tiny blending brush that I have. So I'm going in the circular motions there to add that shade and deepen this area. So I rolled it, dipped it into the shade, and I'm going to lightly blend in that same area. Lightly blending in circular motions in that same area. And I'm going to bring it up a little out, a little bit in toward the crease in the middle, up above the crease on the outer edge. And then I'll take my blending brush that I had from before. I'll take the tip of this brush with nothing applied in addition on it. So there's nothing in addition on this brush. And I'm taking the tip and I'm blending this whole area, starting from the middle of the eyelid above the crease in the crease area out to the outer corner on the lid as well. And I'm just blending everything in circular motions. Blend, blend, blend. And then I'll do the same thing to the other side. Now I'm going to take the shade Up Late and my handy dandy ring finger. So I have the shade on my finger. What I'll do is I'll just remove some of it. I really swirled it in there, so I'm just going to take some of it off on my finger because I don't want to get too carried away. I'm taking my ring finger because it's the easiest to apply gently to the lid. So I'm going to go in the outer corner and tap this from not the very, very outer corner, but more toward the inner outer corner. I'm going to tap this over here. I'm tapping this closer to the center. So I'm going from the inner outer corner and tapping to the center. And tap to the center and focus mostly on the lash line. So I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Now I'll take the shade On Sunset with the same handy dandy ring finger. I'm kind of looking at my mirror a little straight ahead, a little bit down, and I'm going to tap my ring finger that I've swiped into this pretty shade, and I'm just going to tap my ring finger onto my eyelid, press a little bit. I'll take my pinky to kind of blend out around the outer edges. Okay, and now I'm going to swipe a little bit onto the lash line into the other shade. I'll go lighter with my finger as I get to the crease above the crease area and tap to the inner corner with very, very gentle pressure just to blend everything. And then I'll do the same thing to the other side. Okay, now I'll be taking the shade Let's Party and the Nabla N201 brush. Just in the very inner corner, I'm placing this I'm pressing this little tiny pointed brush with that shade just in the inner corner and kind of flicking it up a little bit just to add a little extra pizzazz. You can totally skip this step. You don't have to add this. Yeah. Okie dokie, let's finish off this eye look with the lower lash line. You can totally skip this step if you feel like this is enough, but I'm going to add some lower lash line with the shade Off the Clock and the Nabla N203 brush. I swirled my brush in there a few times. I've rolled it into that shade and I've tapped off the excess. And I'll take the brush in the outer corner to the center and then out a little bit. And I'm just loosely blending in swiper motions back and forth. And I'm blending back and forth, and I'll do the same thing to the other side. Now it's time for lashes. For lashes, I'm going to tight line, put mascara, and pop on the Lily Lashes lashes in the style Milan. For tight lining, I love to use the Dose of Colors eyeliner. So I'm just adding it to the top of my lashes, like the inner part of the upper lashes. And then I'll pop on some mascara. This is just going to coat the lashes so that they're not powdery from the eyeshadow. And I'm using a YSL mascara. You can use whatever mascara. I'm going to look up to do the lower lashes. All that matters is that the eyelashes are coated. These Milan lashes are super, super pretty. I just applied my Duo Quick Set Adhesive Glue. Looking down into my mirror, I'm going to apply these and then we'll get into the lips. And voila, we have the lashes on. Now we need to get the lip to finish and complete this look. So I was gifted by Ipsy their Icon, their BoxyCharm, and Ipsy bag for the month of November. And I got this in that, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dusty Rose lip liner. And I love their lip liners. They are some of my favorites. And then I also received the Sincere LYS lipstick. And then for my birthday gift back in August, I got the Kosas wet lip oil. So I'm going to do a combination of these three. I've never tried LYS, and I don't think I've tried Kosas. I think I tried something from Kosas, but I did just order the Kosas blush from Sephora. So I'm excited to try them. So let's get the show on the road. Per usual, I'm going to overline, starting with the middle, and then I'm going to line to my natural lip line and fill in a little. Go from the middle, stick my tongue behind here, go up to my natural lip line, fill in. Then in the top middle, I'm creating a little line, and I'm going down to a natural lip line, and the same thing on the other side. I'll fill in a little, and then I'm blending everything. This is a really pretty shade. It matches the color of my lip liner really well. Feels really good so far. First time I'm trying that. Who knew this was a try-on? And then this is the Kosas Wet Lip Oil in the shade Unbuttoned. I'm pretty sure this is like a little tester, but let's just add some more glossiness to this look. And that completes the look of this like cool tones, sultry fall glam eyeshadow plus the lip combo. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and comment down below. Let me know, are you going to be doing this look? Do you have plans to do it? Did you do it? And or if you're just here for fun, comment here for fun. Yeah, so I will see you guys next time, and yeah, bye now.